Xiaomi have sent me this mystery box to join me today as I find out what the hell is inside it. Welcome back to another episode of STU'S Reviews Unboxing. This is the second unboxing that I'll do in a week. Obviously, I've done my monthly unboxing where I open a bunch of random parcels that have been sent to me. This is a specific random parcel that's been sent to me. And I can tell you who it's from. Xiaomi. They've been quite clever here. Mystery box is in Xiaomi. It's a bit of a terrible pun. But I am so excited to find out what is inside this mystery box. Let's have a look. Okay. We've got the Mi logo, the sponginess. Whew. Smells like packaging. Let's have a look. Okay, what have we got in here? In fact, I'm not going to look, I'm just going to stick my hand in. First of all, we've got this. This is a thing. Piece of paper. I don't know what the point of that is, but this is a Mi Box S 4K Ultra HD set-top box. Fantastic! Woo! That is good. Do you know, I haven't had a look at any of the Xiaomi TV boxes for quite some time. I did have one of the original ones, but it didn't have any English software on it, so it was quite difficult to use. That is sleek. That is nice. I mean, in today's world with smart TVs, a lot of this stuff is built in, but I am still an advocate for set-top boxes like this because it removes the experience from these awful, horrible smart TV software experiences, unless it's got Android TV on, which I believe this is powered by Android TV, so that is cool. Currently using an Amazon Fire Stick, but I really don't like the update that they've just done. They've basically put sponsored stuff really prominently on the home screen, which is awful. Next thing, they've given me we've got a Mi Smart LED bulb. Again, this is something I haven't really tried from Xiaomi. I haven't tried any of their smart home stuff. Where's my knife? Ooh, nice. Very nice. I mean, it's a bulb. There's not much more I can say about that. That is... I haven't got a light fitting with that. That's bayonet up there. That's too small. Oh, Jesus. I'll have to come back to that one. Let's find a light fitting in my house that will work with that. Anyway, that's cool. I like that. Works with... Will it work with the Zigbee protocol directly to her, though? That is the question. Either way, it works with Amazon Her. So that is good. Nice! Let's have a look what else we've got. How the hell did I put that there? No idea how that went back in. Look. There's a big box here. There's a big box. That is a Xiaomi home security camera. Amazing! Oh, this is wicked. So I've tried some Xiaomi smart cameras before. Again, really old stuff. I haven't really covered much from Xiaomi in a long time. Last thing I covered was one of their phones, and it was a great phone. And before that was a scooter. Before that, a long time. Long time. So all of this is great. Can't wait to start experiencing this lot. Anyway. Okay. Nice. That is a very sleek looking smart camera. Full colour, low light capabilities, 360 degree, 1080p, full control. That is a nice looking camera. I am excited to give this a go, actually, because I am looking into different types of home security at the moment. That's one of the big things that I'm focusing on in the background. And I've tried all sorts, from all sorts of providers, and they've all got some sort of problems. But I haven't yet tried anything directly from Xiaomi. I've tried Eufy, Reolink, Arlo, Blink. So add this to the list. Excellent. Awesome. Okay, what else have we got? Okay. Well, I did say I would never buy a Xiaomi Mi Band 5 because it didn't have any of the upgrades that I wanted. But it now apparently appears like I've ended up with one. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It does mean, though, that I can give this a proper go. It works out, doesn't it? I may end up doing a review in that case. But I still think that this was missing a lot of features. However, the Mi Band 6 has just been released or announced, and I am supposed to be getting my hand on it. It is coming from Banggood, so I'm holding out for that and hoping that's going to be good. But if you rightly remember, I reviewed the Amazfit Band 5 and chose that as a preference over the Mi Band 5 just because of some of the emissions that this had. And it looks very, very similar, like I said, to the Amazfit Band 5. But do you know what? It'll be an okay product. Like I said in my original review or episode where I spoke about the Mi Band 5, I said it was a good product, but not of enough difference between that and the Mi Band 4 for me to go and splash out. But apparently, I've got one anyway, so I will be trying that at some point. Funny how things turn out. We've got, okay, the Mi True Wireless Earphones. I'll give those a go. Let's give those a go. Have I tried these before? Okay, first of all, design is very similar to a design that we know or have come to know over the past few years anyway. But then again, how many different ways can you shape headphones? Not that many. Right, they're charging. I'll leave those in there for just a moment. We're taking a look. I think this might be the last one. This might be the last one. I don't know what's inside here. Can you see on there? Hey! You've been able to see all this time. What is that? Oh! Oh! Hey! I tell you what. Oh, I'm excited about this. There is a very good reason I'm excited about this. Because the specs of this thing are insane. For the price. This thing at the moment, you're looking at about $250, $280, I think, in US. What it is in the UK, I don't know, because I believe it's being released on the 13th. In fact, that's coming up. In fact, I might save this for the 13th. So I'm unboxing this before then, but you're probably watching it on the 13th, in which case this has been announced and the price has been announced in the UK as well. But $280-ish, which could equate to about a similar sort of money in poundage. The specs of this is insane. It's got a 108 megapixel camera. It's got a full AMOLED display that's 120 Hz, HDR10 capable as well. This thing is an utter powerhouse for that price, and I'm really excited to have a look at this. Seriously, I was looking at the specs and thinking, oh, do you know what? If this turns out to be as good as I'm hoping it's going to be, then I might actually cover it. Yeah, 108 megapixel camera, 4 quad cameras as well. It's ridiculous. Honestly, 33 watt fast charging. Oh, yeah. That is gorgeous. That is a lovely looking phone. There's a screen protector on there. Get that right off. We don't like them. Feels quite light, but that back, oh, that back is juicy. Look at that. Ooh. What do they call this? What is this colour? What do they call it? Grey. Well, that's not very inventive. Quite refreshing, really. But I've always loved. Oh, just look at that colour. Alright, we're going on. We're on. 120 Hz display for less than $300. That is mad. How are they making any money on this? I do not know. Oh my days. What can I say? It has got a slightly unusual form factor about it because the screen appears more rounded than the actual phone. But with that put to one side, that is a gorgeous looking device. It's so snappy. I cannot believe that Xiaomi have managed to put so much of this technology inside this phone. Genuinely, honestly, it have a closer look. You have a closer look at this. Right, guys, that is all from me today. Massive thanks and shout out to Xiaomi for sending that through. Seriously, I am really looking forward to having a look at this and covering it in a review. But other than that, guys, thanks for joining. And if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to be notified when the review of this phone drops. And if you want to see any more STU'S reviews, of course. But other than that, guys, again, thank you very much for joining. And I'll see you back for another episode of STU'S Reviews soon.